Just got a new bike, and no, it's not gonna be another long-term test machine, but the guys at Honda called us and said, hey, we got this new Rebel 500 for you, do you want to unbox it and then be the first ones to ride it? And we said, yes, of course. So here's the bike, and I got my friend Bogdanel over here with me to help me out with the unboxing, because as you know, I am very clumsy to do it just by myself. This is one of the most popular bikes for the young guys, and you can clearly see why. It has this custom-ish look. It has a new headlight for this year, which looks very cool, don't you think? And it comes with a lot of cool stuff. Let's put it this way. This is a kind of urban cruiser, so it borrows the engine from the CB500 line, but it comes with this cruiser shape and with this attractive look. So it's way different compared to the CB500R in terms of design, although it shares some components. This is a consistent facelift for the previous version, and first of all, we have to discuss about this headlight, which is brand new for this model. It also comes with this nice LED turning lights, way better looking than the old ones. What else? It also comes with some updated suspensions, as far as I know, with an updated ride quality, but about that we're gonna discuss after riding it. We got the battery, we put some petrol in the bike, and I think that everything's ready. You should give it a go. I'm gonna film it. It sounds really cool, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely does.
And imagine putting another exhaust on a Krapovic or something like that.
No, it wouldn't sound that good.
Do you think so?
You should buy a cruiser exhaust.
Yeah, a cruiser exhaust.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, we should do that. And of course, we should ride this bike, and we're gonna do it right after this.
Yeah, so let's go riding.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to get the number plates.